Hello everyone. This video series, Kids Python Challenge, is made mainly for school children so that they can enjoy computer programming using a computer programming language called Python. Of course, well, I said school kids, but grown-ups can also enjoy learning from this introductory course. By learning this course, you will be able to make everything you want using Python. Well, good news is that you do not need any advanced preparation, such as downloading, installing, and rebooting your machine. All you need is a browser on a computer, personal computer connected to the internet. Okay, so use your computer and just go with it. Okay, let's start. So, lesson one, today's lesson one, first step with Python. Open Google Colaboratory. We are going to use Google Colaboratory, which is a service by Google. So, okay, let's open a browser and then search for Google Colaboratory, or just click copy and paste the link in the below section. Okay, so it's like this. Welcome to Colab. It could be in your language, but this is an English case, okay? Here, you can start everything you want. So let's start to do. So usually open file menu. Today is the first day, so new notebook, okay? And this is all you want, okay? So let's see what you can do in here. First, usually you need to connect. You need to connect to the code. All you need is usually like, for example, 8 here. Okay. After typing 8, you need to shift and enter. Okay. So by shift enter, you can run the cell or evaluate the cell, either by shift enter or clicking this arrow here. Okay. So if you type 8 and shift enter, you get 8. This is what we start with. So let us print 8 first. Okay, good. We could write 8. Of course, you can write 7 too. And click here. Okay. Or let's make a lot of boxes here so that we can play. Yes. And then print Python. Okay. So to print Python, if you write just Python, it will make some error messages. It will give you some error message. So in this case, you need either single or double quote. Let's use single quote. Either will do, but if you put single quotes before and after the string, character string you want, it will be okay. So in this case, you get Python. Or, of course, you can use print, parenthesis, Python. Okay. This is another way to say Python. Okay. Here too, if you go back to the previous cell and print parenthesis 7, you get 7 too. So print statement is the way to print something you want. Sometimes you can just write 7 like this and shift enter, that's all right. So yeah, sometimes interchangeable, sometimes not. Let's find out more later. Okay. Okay, here's we need to do. Whenever you do some new computer programming, you need to write hello world. That's an old tradition. So let's go do that. To do that, you can write here, or you can just go back to this cell and double click Python and rewrite hello world. Shall I write exclamation mark here? Okay, that's good. And then, okay, hello world. Good. So this is now you are entering the programming world. Good. Next thing, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, okay. Actually, you can write. You can use usually your own language here. So in my case, let me write in Japanese. Okay. Oh, I can't write it here. So, okay. Yeah, try it with your front end process. Okay. So it's a good day. Fine. Let's go ahead. So good news is that you can do calculation here. Okay. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. You can roll up. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay, these spaces, you don't need any spaces actually. So 6 times is just asterisk, okay? 3 equals, it's 18. Yeah, so you can do everything you want. You can also use parentheses here. 2 plus 3 times 4. Do you know what this is? 5 times 4, it's 20. Good. Okay. About division. Division a bit confusing. For example, if you divide 9 by, yeah, division by is done by such. 3, you get 3, 9. It gives its a floating number 9.3.0. Let's see what happens if you want to divide by integer and get the quotient in integer. Okay, let's see what happens if you divide 7 by 2. It says the quotient is 3, and how can we see the remain? Okay, if you write percent, if you use percent mark, it gives the remainder is 1. Okay, so it means 7 is 2 times 3 plus 1. Okay, let's see another case. So, for example, 17% 3. Let's see. Okay. Slash 5 gives 3. Because, yeah, 3 and percent mark 5 gives 2, as you can imagine. You know that. So, it means that 17 equals 5 times 3 plus 2 equals 17. Okay, you know that. Good. So you can use calculation, and we will come back to this. We will be using this percentage operator a lot later. So please keep in mind and practice yourself. Enjoy yourself doing many calculations and finding out how it works. Okay. So then a new concept, variable x. Okay, you can assign 7 to variable x and print. Okay, this is done by just x equals 7. By the way, this is small. Maybe we can enlarge it. Okay, and also click here to hide. Okay, x equals 7, and then run it. There's no printing. Okay, in this case, if you see print x, if you run print x, okay, you will have 7 here. Actually, just typing x will also give 7. We will see the difference, but this is the good news, right? So by this way, in this way, we can assign 7 to variable x. Okay, actually, that's all for today. Okay, lastly, let me show you how to save the progress and exit from here. To save, file, and save, which is Control S. Okay, Control S will save the file, and then you can just close it. Then you will by the way, Let's change the name to EX1 because today is the exercise 1, okay? And then save again so that we have EX1. This is IPython notebook. No worries. Okay, that's all for today. You can just exit from here, okay? So, lastly, homework, okay? Assign 15 to Y and print both X and Y. That's assignment for tomorrow. Homework for tomorrow, for next time. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining and hope you will come back. And of course, yeah, be sure to come back. See you again in the next time. Bye bye.